Hey guys, what's up? I'm at the Yunque National Forest, Rainforest in Puerto Rico. This is my little 1 week vacation. I'm gonna be recording it all, so I hope you guys like it. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm returning to my car now because I already took some pictures, which I'm gonna show you guys once I'm done with this video. There's gonna be like parts where I record in and take pictures so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna get back to my car and I'm gonna go higher, all the way over there. I'm gonna go. So I guess I'm gonna continue recording there. So later. So I'm right now on my way to the top of the Yunque rainforest. As you guys see, I was just there. That's where I took the pictures at. Little rainfall right there. I mean waterfall, I said rainfall. So yeah guys, this is my 1 week vacation. I'll be doing this is like basically my me time, you know. No friends, no girlfriend, no family, just me. Sorry for that. It's pretty cold down here. I mean up here. And I actually guys recommend this once in a while that you guys, you know, you guys have your me time, go out. Oh shit. A lot of holes in the freaking street. Alright, so this is, you know, it's gonna be a little bit fun. I like it. I'm actually enjoying it. I'm having fun. It's like my relaxing day. That's where I'm going right now. Alright, so we just got done like watching the lighthouse, so now we are on our way to the waterfall, which is not far but not close either, so we're almost there. Alright, so many cars, little road, it's scary, so this has been the best vacations I've ever had. You know, just being alone, relaxed, it's the best. I recommend it to you guys, so if you want to go ahead. And yeah, we're almost here. This is, if you guys ever want to go to vacations, I really recommend Yunque because it's really fun and it's really nice. You know, it's really something calm. It's something different, you know. And if you just want to get out of work and all that stuff, you know, this is the best place to do it. I hope you guys like this. And again, if you like the video, comment, rate, subscribe, whatever the heck you want to do. It's fine with me. If you don't like the video, though, go ahead and dislike it. I don't care. It's your opinion. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys my little vacation, and we're not done. There's still a lot more to come. So I already showed you guys the pictures of, well, I don't think I have, so since I'm just saying it right now, I haven't edited it yet. So after this video, I'm gonna show you, no, before this video, I'm gonna show you the pictures of where I just came from, which was the lighthouse, which is pretty awesome. It has a big view. So yeah, now we're gonna go to the waterfall. So I guess I'll see you guys there. Peace. So if I'm not mistaken, this is where we're going. So let's see if we can find a parking somewhere. I'm just gonna shut it up till I find a parking. So we're here at La Mina, which is trail system. So let's see where we are, which I can't see in this little map. So anyway, let's just forget about the map and just keep walking. Whatever. If we get lost, we'll just start screaming like a little girl, and hopefully it'll help. Pretty nice here. This is one of the things I love to do. I just like going out, just seeing nature. It's the best hobby I could have, honestly. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm gonna this is so funny because I am actually lost. Right, let's just follow the trail. You know, I should have brought like this little graffiti paint, red paint, and just start painting the freaking trail. That way I know where I've been. This is stupid. Alright, let's see if I can find that place. Oh man. Yeah, I was actually joking at first that I was gonna get lost, but hey, karma's a bitch. I'm actually lost now. Hopefully I'm on the right way. That was it left or right? Was it left? Or was it right? Was it left? Or was it right? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Alright, let's go this way. Oh, yes, my manly instinct. Alright, so if I'm not mistaken, this should take me to the parking area, and hopefully I'll find my car in good conditions. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, I think this is it. We got this little place, this little area. Looks pretty nice. It's awesome. So hopefully when I put the video, you guys will know. Yes, it's pretty nice. I just hope I'm in the right track, because otherwise I am not gonna go back. Ooh. Now, as a matter of fact, my car's over there, but I'm gonna go this way so you guys can see something else. So I'm gonna keep recording once I'm over there, or I should just keep recording now. I'm gonna keep recording once I'm there, that way I won't waste the battery. Alright guys, so we're here, we finally got to the waterfall. There it is. No, I'm joking. That's not it, of course. What am I, some kind of just... There we are. Let me get this there. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, so this is the waterfall. Pretty nice. Alright, so that's it. So but I just wanted to show you how the waterfall looks like. Yeah, that's about it. Hey guys, what's up? I'm actually done for today. This is day 1 out of my 1-week vacation. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do for day 2, so we'll just think about that today, but just not now because I'm walking so much. I've walked around 2 hours in total because I walked here 30 minutes. Okay, walking to the waterfall was 30 minutes. Walking back was 30 minutes. Walking to the lighthouse and up was about 30 minutes, and all of the minutes included, I've walked every section of the Yunque. So as you guys see, I'm tired. Yeah, because I'm so smart, I decided to run uphill for 5 minutes. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this first day of my 1-week vacation. So yeah, I'll show you guys the next video next time and whatever. Excuse me. It's kind of awkward when you're talking to the camera. Everybody thinks you're talking to yourself. It's kind of funny. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it here and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.